Well, good morning. It's nice and brisk. Great day to get started. Had a good night last night. Almost the same spot that I camped in a couple of nights ago when I was here at Yates Camp. But now getting back on the trail, and we're going to go south toward Highway 24 and 27 trailhead, where I parked my car, and have an 8-mile hike today. Shouldn't be too bad. And if I remember right, when I came up here, it was pretty easy hike. All right. These things, sort of have a bittersweet taste to them as you conclude a hike, especially like this, where I've never been before, and coming out and doing it solo. But it feels good to accomplish it. Met really some neat people. The first 2 days I was on the trail all alone. And I met a couple, which I sort of expected on Friday. But then yesterday was pretty busy, and that's sort of nice to see people out on the trail and taking advantage of seeing creation, talking with them, just what brings them out here. One young man from New York City who had never camped alone before in his life, and it was fun to talk with him. He had a 70-pound backpack, and I can't imagine. But he had good food, and that was good for him. I hope he gets out more and enjoys this. And there was the family, or two families, that the fathers grew up together, and they try to meet once a year and bring their kids together, which that was really cool. And then, just young people, very energetic, out. And then as I was, my final push, I met two sets of older folks like me, and they were working through the pain of pleurisy and and gout, I think they said, as they were trying to struggle up some of these climbs. But then one couple, they were there. And so, just a whole range of folks, and that's what this is all about. I feel like I'm starting to get a little bit of a shift from, I've enjoyed hiking alone, but I can see the benefits of hiking with others as well. So Conan comes along, and he makes his appearance every once in a while and surprises me. Feel like I'm talking way too much this morning as I'm out here. I think it's the excitement of being able to get back to the car. Let's go walking. I'm back to this little stream that I've been following for the last mile or so, and this is almost back to the southern trailhead where I started. It's been a fun journey, good adventure. One of these trails that just really isn't used that much. Maybe it's not well known like some of the others, but a great opportunity to come out. As I've been coming back though, I've been thinking about just how quickly it seems that the southbound leg was compared to the north. And really not sure why that is, but it seems like always as I go someplace new and then as I'm returning back, it seems like that goes a lot faster. What about you? Do you find a difference between going to and from someplace, and how does that feel for you? How do you what do you think makes that happen like that? I'd love to hear from you. Comment about your experiences on going and coming. But we are blessed to be able to be out here. Beautiful, beautiful place.
Some odd years ago, well, I ran away for the first time when I was only 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back, and I know every inch of highway, every bit of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, I've got me a modern guitar, carried an old tote sack. I hopped it about 200 times, always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back, and I know every inch of highway, every bit of back road, every mile of railroad track. Got a gal in Cincinnati, got a woman in San Antonio. I always loved the girl next door, but any place was home. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back, and I know every inch of highway, every bit of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, you may not like my picking, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I look, you'll like it when I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back.
Well, okay, I'm back where I started. It's been a great trip. Enjoyed it so much. Hope you did. Hope you enjoyed some of the sights. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.